Ladies and gentlemen, your hosts for the evening, Manish Paul and Mandira Bedi.
Thank you so much for the, come on, everybody, I think.
Big round of applause for Kailash Khel.
Yeah, and for us, ladies and gentlemen, come on, it can be louder, everybody. Come on, lovely. Do taliyan ho rahi, thank you. Yeah.
Ladies and gentlemen, a very, very good evening and welcome to the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Awards Mumbai 2017. Tonight we're going to celebrate not the union, but the collision of the concept of style with the city of Mumbai. Because that's how things happen in Mumbai, Meri Jaan, am I right?
Yeah, man.
With a bang, not a whisper. Hindustan Times has been Mumbai's breakfast companion for almost a dozen years now. HT gets you in-depth news coverage and analysis from the field of politics, crime, communities, sports, lifestyle, and entertainment. And now you get the quietest, most in-depth reportage on HindustanTimes.com. So Mumbai, keep reading.
Well, but what does it mean when a state of being called style comes together with a city like Mumbai, where badass meets bindas?
Badass? Bindas?
Bindas, yes. To be stylish in Mumbai terms is to be quirky, surprising, and confident. And not just in clothes you wear, style in Mumbai terms manifests itself in the way you simply are.
For the last so many years, the HT Most Stylish Awards has been in hot pursuit of all things stylish, from cinema, the arts, fashion, business, and philanthropy. And our hunt for 2017 ends right here, right now.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's time to begin the show. But before we do that, let's thank all our partners and sponsors. Presenting sponsor Jeep, powered by Ruparel Realty, styled by Deal Jeans. Jewelry partner Goodwin Jewelers, comfort partner Valentine Clothes. Home furnishing partner Tangerine, fashion partner Fresh Look, time and style partner Fossil.
When it comes to spirits, you stop. Celebration partner, Asprey Spirits. Television partner, CNN News 18 and CNBC TV 18. Digital partners, HindustanTimes.com and DesiMartini.com. Radio partner, Fever 104 FM and Radio Nasha. Scripted and directed by Fountainhead MKTG. And now, ladies and gentlemen, let's start with the first award for the night.
All right, there we go.
Ladies and gentlemen, a restaurant that has style on the menu will always have you going back for seconds. To be sought after in a city like Mumbai is to be the best of the best, whether it's food, service, or decor. And in this city's cutthroat dining environment, it's either eat or be eaten. In the battle for the ultimate top chef, our nominees for HT Most Stylish Chef Restaurateur are...
Well, nominees are Manu Chandra, Zoravar Kalra, Gauri Devi Dayal, Anahita Dhundi, and Sanash Golia. We'd like to call on stage to do the honors Mr. A.D. Singh. Come on, a big hand for the presenter, ladies and gentlemen. What's up, Mr. Gaurav?
And the winner is Chef Manu Chandra.
Whoa!
Stop meeting at award functions like this. The last time we met, it was because you won some award for being a great entrepreneur. What does a style award mean to you? We want to hear you speak.
Come on, yaar, Manu. Take the mic. Koi baat nahi.
I mean, for me, it's a lot about comfort and how you carry it, and effortless style. I think that's always been a cornerstone, and I appreciate people who do that. So. Thank you very much.
You're looking fantastic and very sharp as always, Manu.
Great hair, congratulations. वैसे सिंगर आते हैं तो हमें गाना गाने के लिए बोलते हैं, अब आपको खाना बनाने के लिए तो बोल नहीं सकते. But thank you so much, yeah. Thanks for gracing the evening. All right, ladies and gentlemen, moving on to the next one. Well, one of the most intimate forms of entertainment, theatre, creates a world that unfolds right in front of your eyes. But the best kind of theatre, of course, are the worlds that live on even after the last light has been switched off. Tonight, we celebrate someone who has been very successful in creating many enduring moments on stage, and to that end, our nominees for HT Most Stylish Theatre Personality are...
मैं लगा दूंगा वो कि पल में पिघल जाओगे.
क्या बात है.
Beautiful. Thank you very much. And that smile of yours, Shan, that'll always take you places.
Awesome, yeah. And, well, Neeti couldn't be here. She couldn't make it. Her father is not well. So we'll make sure the award reaches Neeti. Well, congratulations, sir. Thank you, presenters, for doing the honors. Thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, you know, it's far easier to set trends now than at a time when, you know, to be different was damned. Yeah, really. And yet, she did it. Year after year, decade after decade, not just by starring in some of our country's most epic, unforgettable, iconic blockbuster hits, but also setting style trends that are still as timeless as her. Ladies and gentlemen, well, इनके बारे में मैं इतना कुछ कहना चाहता हूँ, but there's something very important. Yes, not only was she the first female chairperson of the CBFC, she has also received many Lifetime Achievement Awards for her contributions to the arts, including the Padma Shri. Ladies and gentlemen, the HT Most Stylish Lifetime Icon. Well, इनके लिए मैं एक काम करना चाहूँगा. पहले मैं इनको लेके आना चाहता हूँ. क्या कहती हैं आप?
बिल्कुल.
देखिए, आप ना भी कहती तो लोग मुझे जानते, मैं तो जाता ही. सर कैसे हैं बच्चन सर? सर बहुत बहुत बढ़िया. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं. एक बार जोरदार तालियां फॉर आशा पारेख जी, प्लीज. कैसी है मैम आप? मैम, मेरा बचपन से सपना था मैं एक बार ऐसे करके ना आपकी आंखों में डाल के आंखें एक गाना गाऊं. तो से नैना जब से मिले, तो से नैना जब से मिले. ये मैम मेरी फिल्म का गाना है, ज्यादा लोगों ने देखी नहीं थी, पर गाना बढ़िया. आइए जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं आशा पारेख जी के लिए, प्लीज.
Ladies and gentlemen, we'd also like to request another legend, Randhir Kapoor ji, to please come up on stage and present the award for the HT Most Stylish Lifetime Icon.
A big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Come on, everybody. Let's hear it louder. The lucky mic.
Ladies and gentlemen, I would like to thank Hindustan Times for giving me this award. Well, when I was working in films, I was shown as a glamorous person, so naturally I had to be stylized quite a lot in the films. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
A big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Thank you for being here and gracing this occasion, and you look very, very beautiful as always. Ladies and gentlemen, you may forget what someone wore, but you will never forget how they wore it. In the blink and miss life of Mumbai, what never fails to stand out is the eternal. Tonight, we honor someone whose exciting work has risen above the everyday. The nominees for HT Most Stylish Fashion Personality are...
Ladies and gentlemen, Nishka Lulla, Nachiket Barve, Nikhil Thampi, Rahul Mishra and Sonakshi Raj. To do the honors, may I please welcome on stage the beautiful Isha Gupta.
Isha, how hot do you look?
Thank you.
The mic was also getting hiccups. It took time to get, yeah.
Right.
Start.
Well, this one's my favorite. The Hindustan Times most stylish fashion personality goes to, well, none other than my best friend and the stylist for this evening, Nikhil Thampi.
Nikhil, we won't let you go. You dressed the best of the best, and now you're the best dressed. How are you feeling?
That's exactly what my first question was. When I got the call for nomination, I'm like, oh my God, what am I going to wear? Because it's our job to dress people and a beautiful canvas. So for us, it's an even bigger deal to like dress up and being acknowledged. It's like a dream come true. Thank you so much.
You're looking fabulous.
Thank you.
Congratulations. Stylish sports personalities are best described as those who not only play sport but also know how to play the game. Whether they win or lose, history will always remember them for their ultimate sportsmanship and their unique ability to always put the game ahead of themselves. Our nominees for HT Most Stylish Sports Personality are
PV Sindhu, Sakshi Malik, Devendra Jhajaria, Rohit Sharma and Jwala Gupta. And to do the honors, may I please welcome on stage Saimi Kher. A big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Before you open that, it's quite apt that you're presenting this award because you're very into sport. You're a cricketer yourself.
Thank you, Mandira. Hi, Manish. Hi, Mandira.
And how does it feel to be here?
So actually, it's a big honor for me to present something to sportsmen. I was unfortunately a failed sportsman, so it just feels nice to present someone.
Never say failed sportsman. See where you are today.
So I'm a big fan of all the nominees here, so I'm very happy to be doing this.
Go ahead.
All right.
The award for the most HT, most stylish sports personality, male, goes to Devendra Jhajaria. The Hindustan Times most stylish sports personality female goes to Jwala Gupta.
Congratulations. कुछ तो जरूर बनता है. Thank you so much.
सबसे पहले मैं हिंदुस्तान टाइम्स को बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूं कि मुझे इतने बड़े अवार्ड से नवाजा है। और आज मैं कहना चाहता हूं कि 8 साल की उम्र में मुझे जब करंट लगा था और एक हाथ गंवाना पड़ा था, तभी सोचा ज़िंदगी में कि मुझे करना है और मेरे देश के लिए करना है। आज मुझे खुशी है
क्या बात, बिग है
कि पैरालंपिक्स में डबल गोल्ड मेडल दिला करके मैं मानता हूँ आज एक युवा सपना देख सकता है कि ओलंपिक जैसे खेलों में भारत एक ही नहीं डबल गोल्ड मेडल भी जीत सकता है। सभी को थैंक यू, जय हिंद।
All right.
Jwala, whenever we see you, I've always said you look less of a sports person, more of a supermodel. And you
No wonder, nobody takes me seriously. But
कौन कहता है लड़कियां पीछे हैं? देखें आप, कंधे से कंधा मिला के लड़कियां खड़ी हैं हमारे साथ. जी.
But I'd like to thank Hindustan Times for this award. It's my first award, and I'm really grateful and thankful to everybody. Thank you.
Thank you and congratulations. Thank you, Saimi, for doing the honors. Thank you. Thank you.
Every leader has their own style and their own unique way of getting things done. Some speak softly and carry a big stick, while others choose to take that stick and fling it around in the parliament.
Yeah.
Manish, I can't resist. What would you do with A stick.
A stick. I'll just stick it out. So it's going to be right there.
Okay.
Yeah.
That was very calm, mellow.
Yeah.
However, having said that, we have still found some unbeatable candidates for our next top job. Presenting the nominees for HT Most Stylish Political Leader.
And the nominees are Poonam Mahajan, BJP MP, Praneeti Shinde, Congress MLA, Amin Patel, Congress MLA, Rahul Shivle, Shiv Sena MP, and Niranjan Davkhare, NCP MLC. Ladies and gentlemen, to do the honors, may I please welcome on stage Praveen Chandran Nair, Deputy Editor, Hindustan Times, Mumbai. Ladies and gentlemen, zordar thaliyan please. Let's have a big hand for the presenters too.
The winner is Poonam Mahajan.
Poonam, I've seen you in school. She's a school
Hi,
mommy.
school mother. How's it going?
Very good, thank you. But this stylish style icon avatar, how are you enjoying that? How does
I
that work
just changed it on the flight. Had a very terribly busy day.
That's even more stylish. Ladies and gentlemen, a big hand.
I don't know. I was just asking Mr. Nair, हमारे साथ कोई सुंदर मॉडल हमें क्यों नहीं अवार्ड दे रही है? Politicians को इतना बोरिंग क्यों रख रहे हैं? हम भी खुश हो जाए.
सुंदर मॉडल तो स्टेज पर खड़ी हैं, सफेद पहने हुए.
Yeah, entire zero figure, you can see it here.
नहीं, सर भी मॉडल रह चुके हैं पहले.
अच्छा.
सर आपने बताया नहीं?
हम एक नंबर के मॉडल है राजनीति में maybe. But thank you so much. Thank you HT for choosing me. It's wonderful. And especially for a woman who's a working woman in politics, you have to really think what you're dressing. It's very important. Though my mother's not happy with my avatar, she thinks, अपनी उम्र की तरह कपड़े पहन. But you know how it's with women. We dress with our hormones. And still we are working women. We have to decide what we have to dress every time and keep the smile on. Thank you very much. Thank you for having me here. Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Praveen sir. मैं इनकी गूगल से पिक्चर्स निकाल दूंगा मॉडलिंग वाली. कोई टेंशन नहीं है, आप टेंशन. माइक ले भी जाएंगे तो कोई नहीं, हम वापस लेके ही आते हैं. थैंक यू. जोरदार तालियां. कम ऑन यार, थोड़ा सा. I think a big hand is always better. थोड़ा energy आ जाती है, right? All right. Our next awardee is Bollywood's original style icon. He could pair anything with pretty much everything and he'd still look stylish, as if he's just walked out of a magazine cover. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, from being the first actor to wear bandhani shirt on screen, to rocking bandanas, to trying on different hats as a leading man, and now a proud star dad. He never fails to impress, charm, and delight.
Woohoo! Make some noise.
Biru!
You know what this is. Could we please invite on stage
Biru!
Pooja Hegde, Narendra Kumar Ahmed, and Vasant Bhandari, events head, UB Group, to present the award for UB Group presents HT Most Stylish Glam Icon.
Who better than to give it to the original hero of this country?
नहीं, thank you sir. ऐसे कैसे? Sir, please.
Thank you. जीतू साहब प्रणाम, सभी बड़ों को मेरा प्रणाम. ऋषि जी, नीतू जी, आशा पाल जी, and congratulations Ranveer साहब. Thank you so much. All the award jury members, I don't know why me, but so kind of you guys. If you think I'm one of the best, I think we have Danny Denzongpa, we have better guys and good-looking guys around here. Thank you anyway, Badu. Thank you.
Sir,
thank you for the award.
How do you always look so stylish is what we want.
It's your eyes, it's your kind eyes. I think dogs bark when I go out. My wife says, what the hell are you wearing?
You are asking him is most stylish. I think he's a born stylist. I know him, I think, 1976.
1976?
Yes.
तब से जानते हैं आप?
Yes.
क्या बात है, खुद इतने पुरानी ले रहे हैं.
He's not only coming to the film and stylist, he is from beginning only. And I wish all the best.
Thank you. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you. Yeah.
Sir, एक बार बिडू तो बोलो.
हाँ, Bidu. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Feeling cool
Bidu,
yourself. Thank you. Thank you.
जोरदार तालियां. Come on.
Very kind.
Thank you. Thanks a lot, sir. Whoa.
our next winner. He'll leap on stage with a single bound, or two if it's a bigger stage. You will know that he's here because he'll let you know it. He cannot be ignored and he cannot be missed. He's hosted some of India's biggest shows, Jhalak Dikhla Ja, Dance India Dance, Lil Masters, and of course the biggest of them all, the HT Most Stylish Awards 2017. He is Manish Paul.
Oh God, thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Thanks a lot. You all are here for me. I still can't believe my eyes. I love you all. Presentation click, please bulai na, please presenter.
This is a real award. Can we please have... This is a real award.
Thanks,
Can we have Soumya Tandon on stage, please, to present the award for the HT Most Stylish Host.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Soumya. Thank you very much. All right, ladies and gentlemen, I've won...
What, you're going to give a speech, really?
Absolutely. Excuse me. This is my moment, and I'm gonna steal it. Kyun, Sushant? Manta hai na? Is pe na main thoda alag ho jata. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. I feel great. Thank you for liking my work. No, honestly, thank you for liking my work, all my shows. And Shashank, thank you so much. And but मेरी एक प्रथा रही है, सर आपको पता है सर, बच्चन सर आपको पता है सर, अब आप मुझे फोर्स करेंगे बट मैं खुद आऊँगा सर. मेरी हमेशा से प्रथा रही, मैं जब भी अवार्ड लेता हूँ, लकीली फॉर मी, बच्चन सर हमेशा सामने होता है. सर पैरों को हाथ लगाना बनता है, कोई मुझे मना नहीं कर सकता क्योंकि ये मेरा अवार्ड है सर. थैंक यू सो मच सर. थैंक्स लॉट सर. थैंक यू. कौन? अरे वरुण, कैसा लग रहा है? एक सेकेंड. अजय सर, आज काजोल मैम कैसे? आज मैं नीतू जी बड़े प्यार से मिलूंगा आपसे. कैसे हैं सर? ऋषि सर, बड़ा अच्छा लग रहा है सर. आप हमेशा, आप इतने स्टाइलिश कैसे लगते हैं सर? सर आप बोले, मैं माइक में खुद बोल दूंगा. सर लाया नहीं ना माइक, कोई बात नहीं सर. कैसे मतलब आप जब रूम में आते हैं ना यूं करके, ओए होए, मतलब मजा. सर कैसे, कोई एक आइडिया प्लीज मुझे भी दीजिए ना. सर मेरी मजाल में आपकी खींचूं सर प्लीज. सर एक छोटी टिप प्लीज. ला 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 ला. सर इन्होंने लास्ट एक अवार्ड नाइट में इतना इन्होंने मुझे फ्लर्ट किया ना मेरे साथ, और मेरा नाम लगाया होगा इन्होंने. नीतू जी गलत बात है, लेकिन चलिए मैं आपसे सर अभी डेफिनेटली पूछूंगा. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक्स फॉर द अवार्ड HT. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी. एक बार जोरदार तालियां फॉर द वन एंड ओनली मनीष पॉल. थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी. थैंक्स फॉर ऑल द लव. Yes, moving on, ladies and men. All right.
Back to why you're really here.
Yeah, absolutely. All right. So when you meet an entrepreneur, that is, who's supremely successful at an age where most of us are still figuring life out, you look to them to elevate your standards and also, needless to say, learn how to rake in some of those big bucks. Each of our nominees for HT Most Stylish Young Entrepreneur has their own distinct approach to leadership and their own path to triumph. And that includes?
Ananya Shri Birla, Nisaba Godrej, Nandini Piramal, Gayatri Ruya, and Anant Goenka. Could we please invite on stage Sunil Sethi, Chairman FDCI, and Rajiv Biotra, CEO Hindustan Times, to present this award.
So the award for Hindustan Times Most Stylish Entrepreneur goes to
Ananya Birla.
Thank you so much to HT. It's an absolute pleasure for me to be here today. I honestly never thought that I would ever be acknowledged for my style. I hope you all don't change your mind if you see me at home and how sloppy I am. But yeah, thank you so much. And It's an absolute pleasure.
The rock star avatar or the entrepreneur avatar? What do you prefer the most, or do you find the lines sort of merge?
It's all mood driven. It's all mood driven.
You're looking fantastic.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Congratulations.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, beauty and charm lies in how well you carry yourself. We present our style partner, Deal Jeans, a women's western wear brand that exudes style and high fashion. Deal Jeans is fashion empowerment and brings out the most defining aspects of a woman's personality. Up next, let's all sit back and watch the highlights from the Spring-Summer 17 collection. Summer Trends by Deal on the Ramp, choreographed by Achla Sachdev. Showcasing peppy patterns and bright hues, the collection is a style savior for every fashion-conscious woman. Please put your hands together for their new line. It's a very big deal.
I rock it like a timepiece. I go straight to VIP. I never pay for my drinks. My entourage behind me. My life's a movie, Tom Cruise. So bless me, baby, yeah. And even if they try to, they can't do it like I do. I thank God every day that I woke up feeling this way. And I can't help loving myself. And I don't need nobody else. No, baby. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. If I was you, I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me too. I'd wanna be me.
Up with it, girl. Rock with it, girl. Show them it, girl. With a bang bang. Bounce with it, girl. Dance with it, girl. Get with it, girl. With a bang bang.
Come on, turn the radio on. It's Friday night and I won't be long. Gotta do my hair, put my makeup on. It's Friday night and I won't be long till I hit the guns now, hit the guns now. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, I ain't got cash. I got you, baby.
Just you,
baby. Hit the guns now, hit the guns now. I got all I need. No, I ain't got cash, I ain't got cash. I got you, baby.
Just you, baby.
Glad that you made it. Look around, you don't see one person sitting down. They got drinks in their hand and the room's a buzz. At the end of the night, maybe you find love. They chit chat of the things I got and my stout reputation of keeping it hot. The party of the year and my master plan is to make you realize I'm your man.
Give the people get live underneath the moonlight. Hot, they top, they paparazzi. Hold on while I take this flick. Speak easy, rocking the feathers, I'm breezy. Hope you can keep up, boys, cause believe me, I'm the beast. It's a little party that'll kill nobody. So we gon' dance until we drop. Let's go on. A little party that'll kill nobody. Right here, right now is all we got. Oh, a little party that'll kill nobody. So we gon' dance until we drop. A little party that'll kill nobody.
Look at me while he's with that other girl. Do you think he was just doing that to make me jealous? So, like, what do you think? Did you think that girl was pretty? How did that girl even get in here? Do you see her? She's so short and that dress is so tacky. Who wears cheetah? It's not even summer. Why does the DJ keep on playing Summertime Sadness? After we get out of the bathroom, can we go smoke a cigarette? I really need one. But first, let me take a selfie. Filter. I don't know if I should go with XX Pro or Valencia. I want to look tan. What should my caption be? I want it to be clever. How about living with my bitches, #live. I only got 10 likes in the last 5 minutes. Do you think I should take it down? Let me take another selfie. Let me take a selfie.
Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for the designer for Deal Jeans, Apeksha Patel.
Let me take a selfie.
Gentlemen, for designer Apeksha Patel, Ashla Sajde, fashion show director. मैं चाहूँगा Ashla please, आप भी स्टेज पे हैं? नहीं आई हैं? Please आप भी आए, जोरदार तालियां ladies and gentlemen.
Do you think he was just doing that to make me jealous? So, like, what do you think? Did you think that girl was pretty? How did that girl even get in here? Do you see her? She's so short and that dress is so tacky. Who wears cheetah? It's not even summer. Why does the DJ keep on playing Summertime Sadness? After we get out of the bathroom, can we go smoke a cigarette? I really need one. But first, let me take a selfie.
Thank you so much.
I don't know if I should go with XX Pro or Valencia.
Ladies and gentlemen, what a fantastic collection. Put your hands together. And now moving on to our next set of awards. When a new face becomes a sought-after face, it's about time when everyone faces the prospect of a new star in the making. We think that our nominees embody the spirit of Mumbai by possessing the grit to stand out and succeed where many fail, all the while doing it with absolute style. Our nominees for Fresh Look presents HT Most Stylish fresh face, male and female, are?
Well, the nominees are male, Apar Shakti Khurana, Diljit Dosanjh, and Harshvardhan Kapoor. एक बार जोरदार ताली nominees के लिए भैया. Come on guys, let's have fun. Female, Fatima Sana Sheikh, Disha Patni, and Sami Kher. And could I please welcome on stage Suraj Pancholi and Rajan Sharma, Business Head of Vision Care of Alcon Novartis, to present the award.
Good evening, everyone. Hindustan Times Most Stylish Fresh Face Male Award goes to Diljit Dosanjh. And the female award goes to Disha Patani.
Ladies and gentlemen, please don't be fooled by how feminine and lovely and beautiful she's looking right now. She really kicks ass at the gym. How are you feeling today, Disha?
Wow, amplifier थोड़ी लगा आपने mic में बोले. Please, this is very useful thing. Please.
I'm feeling great, thank you.
I'm also feeling great. So, what else? Just say a few things. Like, what do you have to say about the lovely people sitting in front? Like, see Pariniti Chopra, looking like
beautiful.
a full orange today. Yeah, Pariniti. Huh.
You look really beautiful. I think everyone in the everyone looks stunning, and it's all about style. So
Absolutely, yeah. मेरा मन कर रहा है मैं sunglasses पहन लूं because वहाँ पे सूरज खड़ा है. Anyway, आइए please. जोरदार तालियां, ladies and gentlemen.
thank you so much.
Yes. आप माइक देंगे मैं वो भी रख सकता हूँ. Yeah, it's nice, please. आइए. Thank you. स्वच्छ भारत की कंट्रीब्यूशन एक और देखें. लेकिन आज कमाल किया हो मंदिरा बेदी ने. मुझे लगा मुझे एक ही को-होस्ट दे रहे, दो हैं, मंदिरा बेदी और उसकी ड्रेस. ये देखें आप. मंदिरा एक मिनट, सॉरी बिफोर भी था. लुक एट अपार शक्ति एंड आयुष्मान. ये दोनों एक दूसरे को देखते हैं, लगता है आयुष्मान शीशे के आगे खड़ा है.
बिल्कुल.
सेम टू सेम. वेरी गुड. ओके, नेवर माइंड. नहीं अच्छा लगा तो मत हंसो, कोई बात नहीं. कौन सा हम लगवा देंगे इसको. एनीवे, अब यहाँ से लगाएंगे. जोरदार तालियां. या सुबह. थैंक यू. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so there are marriages and then there are love stories. There is romance and then there is undying commitment. Well, there is now and then there is forever. Well, अब मैं जिनकी बात कर रहा हूँ, yes, ladies and gentlemen, this stylish Bollywood star couple. Wow, I must say they are ultimate. And for them, I don't think I'll be saying anything else right now. All I want to do is I want to go down and please get them up. Ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं for हमने तुमको देखा, तुमने हमको देखा as Rishi Kapoor sir and Neetu ji. एक बार जोरदार तालियां everybody, come on!
And could we please invite on stage the inimitable Karan Johar and Vikram Bhandari, partner Tangerine, to present this award for Tangerine Presents HT Most Stylish Timeless Couple.
Ladies and gentlemen, give it up for Mr. Rishi Kapoor and his glamorous, glorious wife, Neetu ji. Truly, I don't think there is a more stylish couple in this fraternity. There never will be. Sir.
May I? Thank you. Just a thought occurred to me. You know, in a time, in an era where or rather our son is working, it's so overwhelming that his parents are being recognized. I think it's a great feeling for us. Thank you, Hindustan Times. Thank you. Thank you all.
Neetu ji.
Neetu ji, बोलिए ना.
मैं क्या बोल सकती हूँ? आज आपकी बोलती बंद है. आज आपकी बोलती बंद है.
नहीं, मैं तो बिल्कुल, मैंने कभी आपको छेड़ा ही नहीं है. मैंने कभी आपको कुछ ऐसा कहा है?
It just feels lovely that we've been given this award, and thank you, HT. It really feels wonderful. Thank you.
जी बड़ा बहुत बहुत अच्छा लगा अवार्ड मिला। मैं सर ऐसी जनरली बात करने आया सर। मैं नीतू जी मतलब जनरली मैं क्या होता है ना, यू नो आई लाइक कि लोग बहुत खूबसूरत दिखते हैं, जैसे ऋषि सर देखिए कितने खूबसूरत हैं। आप खूबसूरत इतनी ज़्यादा हैं, क्या आप मतलब त्रिफला का पेड़ खा लिया था आपने, क्या किया है?
आप सच्ची में डरते नहीं हैं?
नहीं मैं तो सर ऐसे ही पूछ रहा था। हेलो आप बोले मैं आज के लिए दीदी बुला लेता हूँ। अच्छा ऋषि सर एक मिनट, अब टाइमलेस कपल इतना मतलब अच्छा ठीक है। हाँ तो मैं ये बोल रहा था सर, कभी ऐसा हुआ है सर जहाँ घूमे वहीं, अच्छा तो सर कभी ऐसा हुआ है कि आपने नीतू जी को देख के कहा हमने तुमको देखा तुमने, सर ऐसा कभी हुआ है सर? प्लीज बताए ना। आई लव यू सर।
फिल्म में हुआ था उस शॉट में।
उस शॉट में सर उसको अच्छी सच्ची बताइएगा, सब जानना चाहते हैं, यू नो। ठीक है हम एक्टर्स वहां जाते हैं गाना, कभी घर में ऐसा हुआ है चलते चलते किचन से जा रहे हैं कॉफी लेके और एकदम वापस आए हमने तुमको देखा? सर हुआ, कभी हुआ है ऐसा? नीतू जी आप बताएं। तालियां, बहुत अच्छा था ये, प्लीज।
कभी नहीं।
ये इतना कॉफी, कौन सी कॉफी पीते हैं जो कॉफी देखते रह गए, आपको नहीं देखा? अरे कॉफी से याद आया, करण भी खड़े हैं, आए नॉटी बॉय। अरे चलिए आइए। सर ये शीशा क्यों पहना है आज आप पैरों में?
ताकि तुम्हारा चेहरा साफ से नजर आए।
अब मेरा क्या क्या साफ से देखना चाहते हैं वो तो छोड़ दें। आइए प्लीज, जोरदार तालियां, आइए जोरदार तालियां। क्या बात है सर। अरे ट्रॉफी नहीं दी वो सर, आपकी खूबसूरती में ट्रॉफी रहेगी। आइए प्लीज, जोरदार तालियां फॉर द टाइमलेस कपल। आइए प्लीज। नीतू जी मैं हाथ पकड़ के छोड़ के आऊंगा, कोई बात नहीं, ऋषि जी पीछे हैं। आइए सर, ये अच्छा सब अपनी गद्दियों पे बैठे हैं। सोचो वरुण धवन की गद्दी पे दीपिका बैठी हो, नीचे वरुण दब गया। ओह नेवर। चलिए आगे बढ़ते हैं। बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, फाइनली लोग हंसे हैं, वरना पहले लग रहा था माता के जगराते में आए हैं, अभी तक माता आई नहीं है। सो नाइस टू सी पीपल लाफिंग एंड स्माइलिंग, थैंक यू, आई लाइक द, कम ऑन यार, कम ऑन एवरीबॉडी। आई लव यू टू Parinidhi. All right, despite the despite the plethora of TV content, some TV stars have personas that almost leap out of the screen, becoming one with the audience. While TV viewers are loyal viewers, they are only select few stars that can command that kind of devotion. Our nominees for HT Most Stylish Television Personality, male and female, are:
Male, Karan Kundra, Shahir Sheikh, Siddharth Shukla, Ritvik Dhanjani, and Karan Wahi. Female, Nia Sharma, Crystal D'Souza, Jennifer Winget, Moni Roy, and Sakshi Tanwar. We'd like to invite on stage Maria Goretti to please come up and present the award for HT Most Stylish Television Personality, male and female. Tangerine presents Maria Goretti.
Hi, you're looking beautiful as usual. And Manish, you know that a very dear friend of mine is a huge fan of you. And
yes,
you know
thank you so much for that.
Well, I'm not going to waste a lot of time. So the Hindustan Times Most Stylish TV Personality male goes to Siddharth Shukla. And the Hindustan Times Most Stylish TV Personality female goes to the very sexy Jennifer Winget.
क्या बात है सिद्धार्थ शुक्ला, कैसे? अरे बाप रे बाप, सूट भी अटका हुआ है, कैसे हो?
बहुत बढ़िया।
बाइसेप्स का गला घटा हुआ अंदर से, ऐसे कह रहे छोड़ दे हमें। Alex, how do you feel? What do you have to say about the evening?
Wonderful. It's a wonderful evening, and it's always great to win an award. So thank you so much. Thank you, Hindustan Times. Thank you.
Wow, yeah. Okay, and Jennifer, what do you have to say?
Hi, Manish. Hi, Mandira. I think aren't we all lucky to be armed with what I call them style warriors, who come to our rescue whenever we need them, every single day. So for those days and the many others when we're lacking, may humility precede style. And this one, especially this one, I attribute this to my comeback as Maya. I think she's the only grey character on Indian television which has been loved so much, and I'm so grateful, just beyond words of gratitude, to my team, to my crew on the sets of Behad, and of course my fans. I just hope that I go beyond being stylish. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Congratulations. Thanks, Maria, for doing the honors. Please take a seat. Thank you.
See her down.
Bilkul, I'm going to see her.
All the beautiful ladies
Later
you've escorted off.
I'll hold it. मेरे को शर्म आ रही थी, मैं रुक गया. मैं ज़्यादा ना उठ जाए. Sorry.
Okay, bus.
करण जौहर हर जगह फिल्मी सितारे लगा के आए हैं आज. अभी आ रहे हैं आपसे, मैं बात करता हूँ थोड़ी देर में. वैसे करण सर, आपसे अभी थोड़ी देर में मुझे बात करनी है, लेकिन फिलहाल I think carry on with the awards.
Moving on to the next award, ladies and gentlemen, our next winner. He comes armed with good looks, an impressive personality, and awesome lineage. HT's most stylish emerging star has made people sit up and take notice both on screen and on the red carpet. His debut film, Mirzya, is being followed up by Vikramaditya Motwani's Bhavesh Joshi. And we could be looking at a next generation superstar in the making.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, so could we have on stage Ali Avram and Avinash Guvarkar to do the honors for the HT most stylish emerging star.
The Hindustan Times most stylish emerging style star. He's a dude. I was lucky to shoot his first film poster. You have to take the name.
And it goes to Harshvardhan Kapoor.
Following fast in your sister's footsteps. Style award.
Yeah, not trying very hard though. Just happening.
How does it feel being here?
It feels great to receive this award in such esteemed, amazing company. And thank you for this. You know, awards at the beginning of your career are always so motivational and inspirational, and you feel great every time you get them. What's even better is Deepika Padukone is right there. So I'm trying very hard to keep focused right now. But thank you very much, and thank you, HT. Have a good evening, ladies and gents.
Thank you so much, congratulations. Thank you. All right, ladies and gentlemen, next award. Well, jinko ja raha hai, inke bare mein kya kahun yaar. He's tried all kind of different roles and the way he gets into the character, I think that's awesome. You know, he's versatile, stylish, and multiple national award winner. Well, ladies and gentlemen, ये ऐसे हैं जिन्होंने एक्चुअली ठोक बजा के पहली बार कहा था तेरी कह के लूंगा, नहीं डायलॉग था, और उसके बाद ना कोई मरता है ना कोई मारता है. मैं ना बोलूं वरना डायलॉग खराब हो जाएगा. लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, जोरदार तालियां हो जाए हमारे विनर के लिए, लेकिन पहले प्रेजेंटर.
Could we invite on stage Tanisha Mukherjee and Gaurav Sharma, programming head, Fever 104 FM and Radio Nasha, to please present the award for HT Most Stylish Man of Substance.
And the award goes to Manoj Bajpai.
Oh, ho!
Manoj, this is possibly your leanest avatar. What is your secret? What are you doing?
Sir, क्या किया गलती से?
I was talking to Harshvardhan there. What do you do? नहीं यार क्या है कि मैं बहुत ज़्यादा वर्कआउट करता हूँ, बहुत सारे काम करता हूँ. मुझे लगा कुछ ऐसी गोली देगा हर्षवर्धन जिससे कि ये आगे भी मैं लूज़ करता हूँ, लेकिन गोली नहीं दी. उसने कहा बहुत मेहनत करनी पड़ती है.
नहीं सर, बट बहुत ज़्यादा स्लिम हो गए हैं. मैं गलती भलेखा लग गया था, मैंने कहा कहीं वैक्यूम क्लीनर तो नहीं खा गए गलती से आप अंदर। पर सर एक बात कहनी पड़ेगी, एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाए फॉर अलीगढ़ इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड जीत के आए सर, एंड आई थिंक सर व्हाट अ परफॉर्मेंस दैट वाज।
थैंक यू।
मैं एक चीज एक्चुअली पूछना चाहता हूं, आई थिंक टू अस यंगस्टर्स, प्लीज यू आर स्टिल यंग सर, ऐसा मत सोचिएगा, लेकिन मुझे फिर भी एक टिप दें।
तो अपने आप को तो अच्छा करने के लिए सबकी खिस्सा क्यों रहता है
सर? कहाँ सर?
सही
मतलब ये अपना पीआर करने के लिए सबकी खिस्सा रहता है।
सही डायलॉग दिया था, तेरी कह के लूंगा। सर बट ये बताएं, आप एक टिप दें कि एक कैरेक्टर में आदमी कैसे घुसे, क्या करते हैं आप ऐसा अलग? मतलब लगता है वही बंदा है, मनोज जी यही नहीं कोई और ही है। सर कैसे करते हैं?
यहीं पे
सर बता दीजिए ना थोड़ा सर।
अरे नहीं यार, मैं मतलब मेहनत करनी पड़ती है, हर्षवर्धन ने कहा मेहनत करनी पड़ती है तब जाके कुछ होता है।
सर पर आयुष्मान भी कर रहा है, वो मूंगफलियां थोड़ी छिल रहा है, हम कर रहे हैं थोड़ी थोड़ी। एक टिप
अच्छा करता है यार, तो तुझे क्या लगा?
कमाल करता है।
खराब करता है वो?
नहीं नहीं बहुत बढ़िया आयुष्मान, आई लव यू ब्रदर। लेकिन सर आई मस्ट से ही इज ऑसम, एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए।
थैंक यू।
प्लीज आइए सर। थैंक यू सो मच, एंड जोरदार तालियां फिर लॉरी के लिए। क्या चल रही है पिक्चर बॉस, अनुष्का क्या कमाल किया, जोरदार तालियां लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन। वाओ, है ना? हाँ यहीं कहीं यार, तो सामने बैठ गया, मुझे लगा गोश्त बन के घूमेंगे। ऑलराइट।
Ladies and gentlemen, who makes a Bollywood debut as a sperm donor? Our next awardee.
That's really difficult to guess. I'm still thinking. Was it Sonu Sood? You were talking about
No, it was someone who said, why fight injustice when I can fight infertility?
Ek second, let me guess. Was it Sushant Singh Rajput?
His debut film became a smash hit, and his subsequent work has further cemented his status as a star in his own right. Now you know who it is?
Not me for sure.
No, for sure.
Absolutely.
He sings, he acts, he fights crime, and even if only 2 of these are true, what remains unchallenged is that he is our most stylish youth icon male.
तुम्हें पता है तुम्हें स्टेज पे आना है, लेकिन अभी मत आना, मेरी स्क्रिप्ट है, मैं पढ़ूंगा उसके बाद आना। And she speaks her mind and is not afraid to take a blindfolded leap into the unknown. She experiments with her looks, her roles, her craft, and always striving to outdo herself. Coupled with her tremendous ability to own every role she essays, she is someone who everyone wants to be with, everyone wants to work with, and who many want to be. She is our most stylish youth icon female.
Could we invite on stage Prachi Desai and Amit Ruparel, MD Ruparel Realty, along with Rajesh Khattar, to please present the award for Ruparel Realty presents HT Most Stylish Youth Icon, Male and Female.
Guys, it's a real suspense. It's Afghanian. Please.
Good evening, everyone. Hi, Mandra. Hi, Manish.
Hi. How are you doing?
And the award goes to 2 enormously talented people, Ayushmann Khurrana and Parineeti Chopra. Whoever would like to begin. आपकी फिल्म, हाँ वो भी
झूठी भूल गई थी।
Hi everyone, thanks so much for this. I genuinely, and I mean it from my heart, I never thought I would be winning any awards for style. I've genuinely worked very hard at that. I will say it with all my honesty. It's not something that comes naturally to me, but I work really hard at it. And I want to thank only one person who has taught me everything that I know about my style sense, style in general, fashion, and that is my friend and stylist Sanjana Batra. This award is only for you. Thank you, thank you, and I will continue to work in this department. And of course, we have a film coming together, Meri Pyari Bindu, very soon, but we are not here to promote it, obviously.
हाँ, किया ही नहीं promote तो।
यार तुमने जो प्रमोट किया वो स्पर्म डोनर वाला इतना स्पर्म डोनेट कर लिया। I'm doing a next film called शुभ मंगल साधन on erectile dysfunction.
क्या बात करे तूने?
Irony of life, yeah.
You're talking about sperms and you're wearing a nada today. I got confused.
Thank you so much, Manish. Thank you so much. Thanks to my stylist Isha Bansali, my manager Sunita D'Souza, and my wife Tahira Kashyap. who make me stylish. I think I'm naturally stylish, I don't know, but I'm that simple guy with little quirk. I never fought crime, by the way, Mandira.
Huh, sorry?
Mandira.
That's what I said. Even if two
I've
out of
never
the
fought
three are...
crime.
I know you haven't, but that
इतना
time will
तो
come soon.
मुंबई में 1 bedroom hall kitchen है जितना गाउन पहन के आई है ये. देखिए आप. Mandira, please, once. Ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां for Mandira and her 1 bedroom hall kitchen. Please see. Look at this. ये देखें आप. बाहर फुटपाथ पे लोग खुशी-खुशी देख रहे जाते-जाते रख जाएंगे, हम इसी में सो जाएंगे. Sorry, आए. तुम लोग स्पीच कंटिन्यू रखो, she'll take 3 minutes.
Thank you, Mandira. Thank you, Paresh. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Parinidhi. बहुत अच्छी लग रही हो. और इन zebra crossing.
Our next winner, when he's not searching for brides, he's putting the dance moves on, dancing his way into the hearts of screaming teenage girls and grandmothers with pacemakers and everyone in between. He's an everyman, from comedy hero to action star to Romeo and maybe one day even Juliet. You never know where he'll go with his next role. He may or may not be the student of the year, but you cannot deny that he's one of the most exciting, most stylish and most popular stars of this millennium.
Ladies and gentlemen, could we ask Vivan Shah and Hiba Shah to please come up and honor the winner. Ladies and gentlemen, जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. For Fossil presents HD Most Stylish Popular Star.
And the award goes to Varun Dhawan.
I got a free watch. Thank you. Basically, I just want to say thank you, Hindustan Times. I've got a lot of friends over there. But that's not the reason I'm winning this award. There's Harshad down from Delhi. Thank you, Harshad, from Fever. Just this, that style is a part of life. I think we should all wear clothes because it's better to be covered. I really don't know what to say. I had a couple of jokes, but people told me they'll be offensive. One was that there are no losers tonight because we're all winners. And actually, I think everyone is winning an award here. We are all winning tonight, actually. This is the best attended award show I've seen in my life since the last 5 years because we are all winning awards. Thank you.
All right, that was awesome, yeah, ladies and gentlemen. All right, moving on is the next award. Well, they came, they saw, they conquered. As actors, directors, superstars, having taken charge in one world, they've turned their attention to another, writing. In this creative detour, they have wielded magic and, with their words, showing sides to their personalities never seen before. Well, our nominees for Jeep Presents HD Most Stylish Writer-Author are
Twinkle Khanna, Divya Datta, Karan Johar, Nasiruddin Shah, and Imran Hashmi. We'd like to request Padma Shri awardee and writer-poet Prasun Joshi and Ramesh Rao, CFO, Fiat Chrysler Automobiles, to please present this award.
Hindustan Times Most Stylish Writer-Author goes to Karan Johar.
Karan, whatever he says, I'm totally digging those shoes. They're fantastic.
Thank you, Mandira.
Looking
Absolutely.
great.
Thank you.
How do you feel winning the award for Most Stylish Author?
It's very exciting to always win in new categories, and being an author is a new foray for me, and I'm really happy with the success of Unsuitable Boy. And I just have everyone to thank who made it possible. And thank you to HT for this honor. I have won this award earlier in other categories, so it's wonderful to kind of spread my wings, literally and otherwise.
All right, a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. No, sir, मैं तो सिर्फ firstly congratulations on The kids, एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए.
Thank you.
So how are they doing? We really want to know that. I haven't seen them yet.
There's no really funny way to answer that question.
I know.
It's the most beautiful feeling in the whole world. I don't think I can ever forget the moment I held my 2 children. And the fact that I named them after my parents makes it even more special to me. Yash and Ruhi are my future, my life, my everything today.
How cool is that? Yeah, जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए, sir. Thank you so much for setting benchmarks after benchmarks. जोरदार तालियां
Thank you, Manish.
for
Thank you.
Karan Johar. Thank you
you.
so much, sir. Thank you. आजकल आप मनी मन गा रहे होंगे, साला मैं तो बाप बन गया, बाप बन के कैसा तन गया. All right, ladies and gentlemen, moving on to the next award.
One is brooding, very intense. The other is not brooding, but perhaps equally intense. Apart, they've carved their own niches in Bollywood and been incredibly successful in maintaining their own little kingdoms. Together, they have been an unbeatable team, the ultimate power couple.
Ladies and gentlemen, to do the honors, may I please welcome on stage Amitabh Bachchan sir to do the honors for the award for HT Most Stylish Power Couple. Zordar Taliyan, come on.
Hindustan Times Most Stylish Power Couple, Ajay Devgan, Kajol.
Wow. I get the mic.
कितने प्यार से दिया उन्होंने आपको माइक, देखें आप. प्लीज बोलिए ना.
वो बोलने की जरूरत नहीं है, वो प्लीज बोलिए होता ही नहीं है. It's more of the time, most of the time it's please चुप रहिए. But yeah, today officially he has a reason to give me the mic. But thank you so much. It's an interesting award to have in your array and collection of awards. So thank you.
नहीं, but power couple मिला, मैं generally just very small question. I'll take a minute, sir. मेरे को ये बताएं, power couple मिला है, घर में किसकी power ज़्यादा चलती है?
घर में मेरे बच्चों की पावर ज्यादा चलती है.
बच्चों की पावर चलती है.
बिल्कुल.
और अजय सर अब घर में ऐसे करके घूमते नहीं, आटा
हाँ
माजिश,
बिल्कुल. एंटर करते हैं तो ऐसे ही, एंटर करते हैं ऐसे ही, घंटी बजती है तो ऐसे ही घूमते हैं.
कैसे सर आप? सर मेरे को बताएं, कभी ऐसा हुआ है घर में आपने बोला हो, गुस्से में गलती से निकल गया हो, आटा माजिश सटक ली, और उसके बाद लगा अरे क्या बोल गया यार?
मेरी मजाल
नहीं सर, ऐसा हुआ है?
बिल्कुल नहीं. बेसिकली घर पे पावर तो औरत की चलती है और औरत ज़्यादा पावरफुल होती है. हम लोग सिर्फ विंडो डिस्प्ले है, सिर्फ पावर बाहर दिखाने के लिए कि मर्द बाहर ये पावरफुल है, बट पावर बेसिकली इज ऑल अबाउट.
क्या बात है सर, अभी भी इतना सॉफ्टली बोल रहे हैं, मेरे को ऐसे सुनना पड़ रहा है. सर बोले नहीं, ये आपका जलवा है क्या?
But it's like it's basically he's trying to say that you know I'm the boss and I have my wife's permission to say so.
Absolutely, ये होता है कपल. एक बार जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए. Thank you so much, please. Thank you sir for doing the honors. जोरदार तालियां, ladies and gentlemen. And moving on to the next award. रानी जी कैसी हैं आप? बहुत अच्छी लग रही है लाल लाल कोट में आज. मन किया बोल दिया, बस बढ़ते हैं आगे.
Ladies and gentlemen, you never know if our next awardee is going to bring a lump to your throat or a stitch to your side because he performs fearsome and funny with equal ease. This national award winner wears his characters like he wears his clothes, with ease and confidence. Both an indie and mainstream darling, he has worked with some of the best directors the industry has to offer.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, well, if she had a favorite color, well, I must say it would be pink. A superstar down south, she came further west to star in a smashing hit Bollywood film. This film went on to be screened at the United Nations headquarters in New York. She was lauded for the authenticity she brought to the role and the weight she brought to the message.
Could we please invite Divya Datta and Sonal Kalra, National Editor, Entertainment and Lifestyle, Hindustan Times, to please present the award for HT Most Stylish Breakthrough Performers.
And the award for the breakthrough performance goes to...
डाकिया थोड़ा लेट हो गया हमारा, आगे चिट्ठी प्लीज, कोई टेंशन नहीं.
Female, Tapsi Panno.
Oh ho!
And the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Breakthrough Performance Male goes to Nawazuddin Siddiqui.
Hi, good evening. Finally, I do get some award after the entire season. At least I'll tell my parents I've got some award, no matter if it's a performance award and style awards. Probably I'll try for style the next year. Otherwise, I'll just plug in. I have a film coming up, maybe
Naam
another
Shabana.
Performance award.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
Looking forward to Naam Shabana.
Okay, I'll call you for the screening.
Thank you so much.
So thank you so much. Yeah, one of the very few awards I've gotten here, so I'll always remember this. And what an amazing gathering. Yeah, that kind of feel cool to take an award in front of all of you. That's, I think, the best part for the evening for me. And actually, one more thing to add. I'm getting an award in the same category as he is. That is an amazing achievement. I really consider that, yeah. I never thought this will happen. So, yeah, that for me is probably slightly bigger than even this award. Thank you, HT. Don't kill me for this. Try. I mean, I'm again going to try next year. So please, you're great. Thank you.
Congratulations.
नवाज.
नवाज, हम चाहेंगे प्लीज आप भी कुछ कहें.
थैंक यू HT. मैं एक्चुअली अहमदाबाद में शूट कर रहा था, तो वहाँ पे मैंने सोचा कि मैं खुद ही डिज़ाइन कर लेता हूँ अपना, तो कॉस्ट्यूम डिपार्टमेंट से ये अचकन और ये डिज़ाइन और सीधा यहाँ पे आ गया. थैंक यू वेरी मच. थैंक्स अ लॉट.
नवाज आपने लोगों को हंसाया भी है, रुलाया भी है, लोगों का कत्ल भी किया है और गोल्फ भी खेला है. अब स्टाइल अवार्ड्स भी जीत लिए आपने बहुत सारे. तो अब क्या बाकी है आपके लिए?
कुछ नहीं, जाके
अभी कुछ बाकी नहीं.
Congratulations. Congratulations. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Tapsi.
Well, style in film is an indelible mark that a great filmmaker leaves on it. Well, as the frames... कैसे हैं सर? बहुत बढ़िया सर, बहुत अच्छा लगा. मुबारक हो. Please. Thank you so much. Come on. As the frames zip by and the story unfolds, you can see their fingerprint, recognize their language, hear their voice, and understand, even if it's just for a few hours, live from their perspective. Yes, the nominees for HT Most Stylish Filmmaker are
Gauri Shinde, Imtiaz Ali, Zoya Akhtar, Ayan Mukherjee, and Kabir Khan. We request Hansal Mehta and Venkat Shankar, Executive Director, HT Media, to please join us on stage to present this award.
HT Most Stylish Filmmaker Female, Gauri Shinde. And HT Most Stylish Filmmaker Male, Kabir Khan.
Well, thank you, HT. Thank you, guys. I've cleaned up well, I think, so thanks.
Thank you, HT. Thank you very much. I think this award proves that you can fool a lot of people with blue jeans and a black shirt. Thank you very much.
All right, a big hand. Thank you so much. Congratulations. All right, our next awardee started out in dance with Shamak Dawar's troupe. Well, branched out into theatre, went on to become a TV star and eventually starred in both commercially and critically acclaimed Bollywood feature films like PK and Kai Poche. Consistently praised by critics, he was the star of one of the highest grossing film of 2016, MS Dhoni, The Untold Story.
Could we please invite Kiara Advani and Jackie Mathai, co-founder Asprey Spirits, to present this award for Asprey Spirits presents HT Most Stylish Versatile Star.
And the award goes to my very favorite co-star, Sushant Singh Rajput.
We saw him a few minutes ago.
तो इतनी देर से बैठा था, अवार्ड की बारी आई है तो he's gone to the loo break. सुशांत, कैसे हैं आप लोग? तब तक आप कुछ बोले कियारा, कैसा लग रहा है आज यहाँ पे आके?
मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है, थैंक यू मनीष।
क्या बात है सर, आपको कैसा लग रहा है कियारा के साथ आके सर?
She's beautiful.
आपकी वाइफ भी आई है सर?
बिल्कुल।
तभी थोड़ा दूर होके बोले ब्यूटीफुल। वेरी नाइस। तो सुशांत जो है, आई थिंक बेटा हिट विकेट हो जाओगे। धोनी कहाँ बेटे? अच्छा नहीं, कोई बात नहीं, एक काम करते हैं, सुशांत का अवार्ड हम लोग रख लेते हैं, जब वो आएगा हम फोटो आपके लिए उसे वापस बुलाएंगे। लेट्स सेव टाइम। थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू प्रेजेंटर्स। आगे आगे रहेगा, हमें आपको फिर से बुलाना पड़ेगा। थैंक यू, घड़ी भी मुझे दे दीजिए। आइए, थैंक यू, जोरदार तालियां। नहीं आया ना सुशांत? ही इज वेरी शांत। All right, ladies and gentlemen, moving on to the next award. With his banging body, he's the ultimate poster boy for poster boys. But he's also a very successful actor, biker, and producer of Vicky Donor. Throughout his career, he has shown versatility, equilibrium, and imagination, and is an underrated, stylish star. And our jury agrees.
Even if she buzzes around like the busy bee that she is, she'll always stop and say hello. And in that moment, basking in the unparalleled warmth of a smile, you will be a fan for life. She takes risks in her roles and pride in her work. She's super hot, super successful, and is so effervescent, she can actually be her own brand of champagne.
We request Tiska Chopra and Sunil Kumar and Sudhir Kumar, directors Goodwin Jewelers, to please come up on stage to present the award for Goodwin Jewelers presents HT Most Stylish Actor and Actress, Jury's Choice. कैसे सर आप? बहुत बढ़िया। क्या बात है?
I'm Andy.
काले अब्बास मस्तान खड़े हैं। नहीं सर, वो वाइट में आते हैं, ब्लैक में आए। That was a good one, जोरदार तालियां। तालियां बजाइए आपके लिए, मैंने याद रखिएगा। गुडविन, चलिए।
Goodwin presents Hindustan Times Most Stylish Actor and Actress, Jury's Choice. And the award goes to John Abraham and Alia Bhatt.
John, would you like to say a few words?
Please.
Thank you. Thank you for this award. Thank you so much. Thank you, HT, Harshad. Thank you. I'm here for you. Thank you so much. And it's great to see everybody from the film fraternity, everyone who I've worked with out here, and I'm a big fan of everyone sitting out here. So thank you for having me here. Thank you.
जॉन, क्या बात है, आपकी बॉडी में तो इतनी अच्छी नहीं लगता, अभी भी डंबल अंदर ही अटके हुए हैं। आलिया।
Firstly, Manish, too funny.
Thank you
too
so much.
funny.
I love
Thank
you too,
you.
yeah.
I can't take any credit for this award. Most stylish, तो I mean मैं तो pajama में ही निकल जाती हूँ, and I'm most comfortable in my pajamas. So all the credit goes to my full style team, Ami and Sanjay and everybody who really puts me together because I don't look like this. And I want to give special mention to all the designers क्योंकि हमको 3 घंटे के लिए उनका कपड़ा पहनने का चांस मिलता है, then we have to give it back. So thank you for this beautiful service. Thank you. And thank you HT. Thank you.
तुम्हारे डिजाइनर ने जल्दी से अपना तौलिया भी तुम्हारे साथ ही भेज दिया, देखिए साइड में आप। कोई नहीं, आइए, जोरदार तालियां होनी चाहिए। बहुत अच्छे जॉन, वैसे माशाल्लाह बॉडी। आइए आलिया, आलिया इतनी दुबली लग रही है, इतने के तो आप बारबल पकड़ते होंगे ऐसे करके। जोरदार तालियां और आलिया के लिए तालियां। आइए जॉन, मैं हूं जॉन, मैं हूं जॉन। प्लीज जोरदार तालियां जॉन के लिए। मूविंग ऑन लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन टू द नेक्स्ट अवार्ड। Well, there are not one but two awards to be given out to our next awardee, for she is a heroine, not just a glamorous, successful, beautiful one, but an honest to goodness inside out. Yes, ladies and gentlemen, after going public with her own struggles with depression, we have concluded that being a heroine is not just what she does, but it's who she is. And we are proud to call her our HT Global Icon.
The second award is Jeep's Badge of Honor, globally recognized as a badge that is earned by the person who takes the road less traveled. In her film and personal choices, she embodies the spirit of someone who takes the higher road and the harder path.
Ladies and gentlemen, may I please welcome on stage Milan Luthria sir and Rahul Pansare, Head of Marketing, to come up and honor the winner of the Jeep Presents HT Global Icon.
Good evening, everyone. The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Global Icon goes to one of my favorite actresses, Deepika Padukone.
Whoa, whoa!
Thank you. I don't know, I'm just reminded of Yves Saint Laurent, who said, fashion fades, but style is eternal. So thank you, HT, for recognizing my style, whether it's on the red carpet or in my choice of films. Thank you.
Deepika, just one question for you. I know you're in a hurry, but मैं generally पूछता हूँ Triple X में, you know, we really appreciated your work, we really liked the film. But tell me one thing, Vin Diesel रोज सर पे मेकअप करता था, मतलब करना पड़ता था उसको?
Yeah, I think
ये मैंने नहीं पूछा, अनुपम सर ने मुझे
Well,
कॉल
he
किया।
definitely had a hairstylist.
He had a hairstylist. I don't want to ask कहाँ के बाल बनवाता था, ठीक है भाई, कहीं बाजू
Definitely
वाली
had
बोल।
one.
It's okay, but I must say thank you so much. आप बहुत अच्छा कर रही हैं और internationally हमारे देश का नाम रोशन हो रहा है। जोरदार तालियां for Deepika Padukone. Thank you so much.
And
Deepika.
you are looking
Thank you.
extremely hot tonight.
Pataka.
Thank you, Manish.
Big round of
Both
applause
you.
for Deepika, and thank you, gentlemen.
Oscar देंदा तेरे लकड़ू जे बेबी मेरा बस चलदा। अपार शक्ति सुना है गाना तूने? Thank you जी. Lucky Mike. Moving on.
Every time someone says there are no words to describe our next awardee, they then proceed to use many, many words to describe him. But it's a common problem. They cannot resist because to resist is to lose a chance to convey how much he has impacted our lives and our film industry. To say nothing would be the greatest injustice of them all because he means so much to millions of people all over the world. This actor, institution, and living legend, with his legendary baritone, transcends descriptions of his achievement, but instead warrants an acknowledgement of the emotion that he stirs in the hearts of so many.
Absolutely, ladies and gentlemen, and could I ask Ramesh Sippy sir and Bobby Ghosh, Editor-in-Chief, Hindustan Times, to please come up on stage to honor the winner of HT Most Stylish Star of the Millennium.
Well, of course, Amitabh Bachchan.
Gosh, please sit down. Thank you, Hindustan Times, for this recognition. And thank you, ma'am, for this very lovely
line of adjectives and epithets that you used for my introduction.
They
I
still fall
really
short.
don't deserve it, but thank you. I also disagree with the title of Millennium, because the Millennium is 1,000 years, and the film industry hasn't even been alive for more than 150 to 200 years. I certainly would not live this, and neither will any of us here, but thank you so much. And I just feel very privileged to be in the company of such incredible talent of this younger generation. And thank you for including me in their list. Thank you.
Oh, ladies and gentlemen, a big hand, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much. हाँ, कितना मजा आता है ना सर को सुन के. अब तुम्हें सुनता हूँ, बोलो.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's thank our partners and sponsors one more time, shall we? Should we do that?
Yes, absolutely. Presenting sponsor G, powered by Ruparel Realty, styled by Deal Jeans, jewelry partner Goodwin Jewelers, comfort partner Valentine Clothes, home furnishing partner Tangerine, fashion partner Fresh Look, time and style partner Fossil.
Celebration partner Asprey Spirits, television partners CNN News 18 and CNBC TV 18. Digital partners HindustanTimes.com and DesiMartini.com. Radio partner Fever 104 FM and Radio Nasha. Scripted and directed by Fountainhead MKTG. Ladies and gentlemen, what is Mumbai? To some it is the commercial capital. To some it is synonymous to Bollywood. To some it is the land of Parsi cafes, vada paos and local trains. To all, however, Mumbai is a land of opportunity. Mumbai is a city for everyone. It is a city where dreams flourish and fortunes change overnight. Mumbai is truly a spirit that welcomes and accepts us all. Hindustan Times acknowledges and celebrates this spirit of Mumbai.
Let's have a look, ladies and gentlemen.
बिग बी गांधनी और फरहान का मिल्खा है. Amir and Saif, Kapoor and Kaif, talent will fly. छोटे बड़े सितारे सभी के लिए ये जगह बनाए. ऐसी 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 है आमची मुंबई. मुंबई मेरी है. मुंबई मेरी है. मुंबई मेरी है. मुंबई मेरी है. Some of us like Shah Rukh, some like Ranveer, and all of them together. Mumbai yahi hai doon. Mumbai मेरी है. Mumbai मेरी है.
This is Mumbai. It accepts us all. HT gets Mumbai. Hindustan Times. Mumbai meri hai.
Well, moving on with the awards, ladies and gentlemen. One of the most popular Bollywood stars, he has starred in over 100 films, getting into his characters with a unique style of his own. A winner of 2 National Film Awards, he has been awarded, yes, the most coveted award, Padma Shri. He is understated, unconventional, and unforgettable.
May we please invite Jitendra Ji and Tavishi P. Rastogi, editor HT Cafe, to come up and honor the winner of the HT Most Stylish Superstar.
Who else could it be? Ajay Devgan.
Man of few words, 2 awards tonight. Do say something.
I really don't know what to say. I just want to thank Hindustan Times, and I don't even know if I deserve this.
Sir, but one tip, आप इतने stylish हैं, जो भी आप करते हैं, इतने style से करते हैं. एक tip आप सबको दें to be stylish.
मुझे स्टाइल के बारे में कुछ ज़्यादा आता नहीं है, पता नहीं है, बट आई रियली बिलीव दैट स्टाइल इज़ अ रिफ्लेक्शन ऑफ हु यू आर, एंड इफ यू ट्रू टू योरसेल्फ you'll never be out of style.
क्या बात है, ओए होए, एक बार जोरदार तालियां इस बात पे.
Thank you.
लेकिन सर एक बात पक्की है, अगर मैंने वो बाइक वाला स्टंट कभी किया, एक पैर इधर एक पैर उधर, मैं डील जीन्स पहन के आऊंगा. प्रमोशन हो गई. थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू जीतू जी, थैंक यू सो मच. Alright, moving on, ladies and gentlemen. She is the ultimate superstar who has starred in hit after super hit, and yet this quintessential girl next door has never been afraid to roll the dice where her film choices were concerned, showing us different sides of her personality every time. Just when you think you had her pegged, she'd go out, wear a new hat or a turban and wear it with style.
May I invite Kabir Khan and Rajan Bhalla, Group CMO HT Media, to please join us on stage to present the award for HT Most Stylish Woman of Substance.
Good evening. And the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Woman of Substance is the one and only Rani Mukherjee.
You are looking vibrant and very beautiful. Would you like to say a few words?
Thank you, and so are you, Mandira.
You're
lovely.
looking amazing. You're looking
Thank
like
you, Manish.
wow.
Okay. I think style is something that I've learned from all the designers who have designed for me throughout my film career, right from 1996. So it would have to be Manish Malhotra, who was there with me on the first day of my shoot. It would be Sabyasachi Mukherjee, who's been very instrumental in my personal style as well as the style that I have in my films. Aki Narula for coming up with my style in Bunty or Bubbly. Anuradha Vakil, who is a very, very aesthetic designer from Gujarat. I think she made stunning clothes for Savaria. So I think I've learnt my style from all the designers who've designed for me. We don't know much about fashion while we were doing films. We've only inculcated our style sense and everything from designers like Manish, Sabyasachi, Anuradha, Aki. And I would like to give credit only to them because they are the true pioneers of bringing fashion to India. Thank you.
Congratulations. And thank you,
so
gentlemen, for doing the honors. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay, moving on.
Our next
Chalta hai, aage.
Our next award winner, starting her career with a smashing dream debut opposite Shah Rukh Khan, no less, continued to blaze trail after trail in sleeper hits like Band Baja Barat and commercial blockbusters like PK and Sultan. One of the most successful actresses today, she will disarm you with her understated style and infectious enthusiasm.
I'd like to call on stage Sanjay Gupta and Amit Ruparel, MD Ruparel Realty, to come on stage and present the award for Ruparel Realty presents HT Most Stylish Actress.
Hi, good evening. Great evening, HT. I just had a small suggestion. There were awards for most stylish filmmakers, which is really cool. I think awards from filmmakers that make most stylish films should also be there.
Well
Okay.
said.
Okay, so here we go. The Hindustan Times Most Stylish Actress, Anushka Sharma.
Filori, Filori, Filori.
Filori's here.
Good evening, everyone. Just today, actually, I noticed something. So my film released today, and I've done nothing but sat in my pajamas and just kept retweeting and annoying all your timelines. I'm sorry about that. I'm sure lots of you have muted me also. But After a while, when I was getting ready for this event, I suddenly saw myself and I had transformed, like literally, like from pajamas to like looking like this. So I am not responsible for that at all. So this award and whatever praise I've ever received for anything to do with style goes to Alia Al-Rufai, my stylist, for 5 years now. I love her, and Nayab and Shraddha, who have assisted her for so long, and my hair and makeup people and everyone else who was responsible for making me look stylish every day, because I literally can't do it on my own. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Anushka. Congratulations. Thank you.
Sanjay,
sir? Yeah.
please stay back on stage, and thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, starting off as a dancer in Shamak Dawar's troupe, our next awardee shot to fame over the course of his career that spanned critical and commercial successes. His film choices were statements of style ranging from Boy Next Door to Broody and Dark. And while he has essayed a wide spectrum of award-winning roles, he has now landed the role of a lifetime as a father.
Requesting Rahul Pansare, Head of Marketing, Fiat Chrysler Automobiles, to join Sanjay Gupta to present the award for
most effortlessly stylish.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This not being one of the first few awards of the night, I think everything about style has already been said. I guess I should thank all those people who educated me about style, and there's too many of them. I never really thought I would ever be stylish, so I'm very happy. Thank you, HT, for considering me stylish. I see so many boys and girls right there in front of me, far more stylish than me, but I think I've kind of covered up a little for all my mistakes, and I think I'm okay dressed right now. So thank you so much for this wonderful award, and yeah, thank you, everybody. Thank you.
Thank you. Congratulations, Shahid.
You should also win the award, Shahid, for most stylish dad. Thank you. Now that's on your list as well. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. When the jury weighs in, can readers be left behind? Our nominees for Valentine's Clothes present HT Most Stylish Actor, Reader's Choice, male and female are.
The nominees are Katrina Kaif, Alia Bhatt, Kangana Ranaut, Shraddha Kapoor and Sonakshi Sinha. For male, Siddharth Malhotra, Varun Dhawan, Hrithik Roshan, Ranveer Singh and Sushant Singh Rajput. And we request Sonu Sood and Harshad Thakkar, MD Valentine Clothes, to please come up on stage to present the award.
Good evening, bhai.
Good evening.
Hi, Mandira. And the Hindustan Times Most Stylish Reader's Choice Actor, Male and Female is Siddharth Malhotra and Shraddha Kapoor.
Whoa! 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 अरे किसी का पैर कुर्सी के नीचे आ गया पैर.
अरे lovely gift भी मिलता है इसके साथ. Thank you. Well, thank you to all the readers. I think all I want to say, they have good taste. So thank you HT, thank you everybody here, and thank you guys for a lovely show. Manish, तेरी बात कर रहा हूँ, and you Mandira.
Thank you so much.
So and thank you sir for giving us the awards. Shraddha, here you go. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. First of all, a big thank you to HT for this award. I think that we were voted for, by the way, Sid. We were voted for, so I think that's really cool. And I feel for someone who should actually be given an award for having the most amount of track pants, white t-shirts and black t-shirts in her cupboard, for someone whose mom says that you've been wearing those pajamas for a few years now and that t-shirt for a few years now, why don't you change it? For someone who is extremely lazy and impatient to get ready and has very patient people around her to be patient with her, I would say that this award totally belongs to all the amazing stylists that I get an opportunity to work with, because I feel that it's their vision, and I feel really proud to wear their vision, and all the wonderful designers who would give me their clothes to wear. So thank you to everybody, and yeah, I still love my track pants and t-shirt the most, but thank you so much.
And you are looking like a vision as well. Shraddha.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, guys.
To both the juries, the Reader's Choice Award winners. And thank you for doing the honors.
Thank you for doing the honors. Thank you.
HT most stylish trendsetters are drool-worthy, date-worthy, and very much in demand. You can cast your eye far and wide, but you would be hard-pressed to find someone who has their particular brand of sexy. Our nominees for Deal Jeans presents HT most stylish trendsetters, male and female, are.
For male, Abhishek Bachchan. Farhan Akhtar, Ranveer Singh. Female, Alia Bhatt, Kangana Ranaut, and Sonam Kapoor. Could we please request Pooja Hegde and Shashank Khaitan and Apeksha Patel, CEO, Deal Global Fashions, to come up on the stage and do the honors. शशांक, congratulations. आपकी फिल्म बहुत बढ़िया करे, जोरदार तालियां शशांक के लिए होनी चाहिए. आलिया ने सबसे ज्यादा तालियां बजाई.
Well, the Hindustan Times most stylish trendsetters are Abhishek Bachchan and Alia Bhatt.
Big congratulations to Alia. Unfortunately, Abhishek could not join us this evening.
I've taken Abhishek's award as well. मैं घर जाते समय drop कर दूँगी. I'm very excited. Firstly, तालियां for all of you who are still sitting over here. जोरदार तालियां. And I'm very excited क्योंकि ये जो award मुझे मिला है वो मेरी director से मिला है शशांक.
Absolutely.
And for me, being trendy this year is all thanks to Shashank because of our film. बद्रीनाथ की दुल्हनिया. थोड़ा सा promotion अभी कर लेती हूँ, अभी भी सिनेमा है. So thank you Shashi, because you are very, very stylish. Or he's always buying me very, very nice shoes so I can wear to the airport, so I can spice up my airport look, since we all know how important airport looks are. So thank you HT, thank you Shashi, thank you Pooja, thank you, and thank you Manish.
Thank you so much, Alia. Thank you, congratulations.
Thank
And
you for your...
Am I looking like a thief running away with these awards?
Thank you for your absolute honesty on stage. The two things you said over here, I don't think anybody else does. About the airport looks and about...
It is true.
About designers and 3 hours.
Everyone wants to look good at the airport.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Well, thank you so much. All right. Thank you so much, Alia. See you. Take care. Bye-bye. All right. It's been a fabulous night, ladies and gentlemen, and we want to thank you all for coming.
Don't forget to keep it stylish. Good night, good luck, over and out.
Thank you.